Now we have a GCF here, and so I can see there's an x in both terms, and I can take an 18x, that is my greatest common factor, out of the left-hand side, and that leaves me with x squared minus 4, because 18x times x squared is 18x to the third, and 18x times negative 4 is negative 72x. So my first step is taking out the GCF. Now I need to factor this, which remember we're thinking as x squared plus 0x minus 4. So when I put that into my two sets of parentheses, and I can't forget about my 18x, I know that my first two terms have to be x, and my other two terms have to multiply to give me negative 4, but add to be 0. So if I had negative 2 and positive 2, that would factor that middle part. So now I'm going to use the zero product property, but notice I have 3 boxes because I have 3 equations. I'm going to set that equal to 0. I'm going to set x minus 2 equal to 0, and x plus 2 equal to 0. So I get 18x equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0, and x plus 2 equals 0. And I have to solve all 3 of those. So on the left-hand side, when I divide both sides by 18, remember 0 divided by 18 is 0. And then here in the middle, I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and so I get x equals 2. That's another one of my answers. And I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides, and I get x equals negative 2. So in one box, I'll put a 0, and in the next box, I'll put 2, and in the next box, I will put negative 2.